Yeah, the question is, what is the importance of spreading the vibrations in the environment? Like, if we speak to a scientist, they say that electromagnetic vibrations are there. The electromagnetic vibrations perform a function. So we can say to them that these vibrations that we have as a result of Saj Yoga is flowing through us and is doing something for the environment. So if you can please say something about what it does to the environment.
Now, electromagnetic vibrations are the right-sided vibrations of the dead, we shall say. Now, our vibrations are what we are calling this Chaitanya, is the combination of all these three, plus the Ardhamatra is the Adi Shakti on top of that. So we have 4 types of vibrations integrated in these vibrations. Emotional side, evolutionary, and the one that is electromagnetic. So we have all these vibrations within us integrated, and on top of that is the 4th one, which is the Adi Shakti's vibrations. They organize, they think, they work out, they direct, they choose, they do everything which is the administrative side. So we have 4 types of vibrations within. Now see a camera. I'll tell you an example. I went to a station for my own photographs. So there were 4 photographs every time I come. The first one didn't have so much depth. Second one improved. The third one improved. And the 4th one was the best. What happened? That when the first photograph came in, it received some vibrations and it changed electromagnetic into the Chaitanya, little bit. And the 4th one was good. Like you people, when you take my photograph, are very much different from the photographs taken by people who are not surgeons. Sometimes I look in those photographs otherwise as if I am standing with somebody with a pistol at my back. But the camera, which is not touched by anyone, which is facing me all the time, records so many things which normally people cannot. Now you know that the people who were taking very good photographs have suddenly lost that power because their ego has come. They have started thinking they were very great photographers. They start thinking no end of themselves. So their photographs are not showing such results. The other day, I saw a photograph of mine. And I told the person who has taken the photograph, and he was amazed. How did I know? I said, I can see all the chakras represented in this photograph. From the photograph, I can make out who has taken the photograph. So when a person is dealing with these electromagnetic vibrations, say, for example, here are electromagnetic vibrations, isn't it? Simple as that, here, on these. Now they receive my vibrations. And whatever I talk became samantra. When I blow in this, I blow in your sastra. Electromagnetic is a wee bit of a dimension, 1/3 of the right side. 1/3 of the right side electromagnetic. Out of which this universe is created. Then there are other vibrations which are beyond electromagnetic. Like we have 5 elements. Electromagnetic are only 2 elements. 2 elements which are combined together. It's very easy to combine 2 elements. No permutations and combinations. But when there are 5 elements, these 3 combinations can make so many varieties, and they are all right-sided. So you can imagine there are so many vibrations on the right side. We are using the ether, for example. Ether we use for broadcasting. We think it's only electromagnetic is a wrong idea. Now when I speak, say, and broadcast and it goes in the ether, it's the Adishakti. So it governs it. Then it manages things. It can work on your Sahasrara. It can work on so many Kundalinis. It can work on the nature. But they are so frightened of me, they never allow me to go on the TV. The negative. So electromagnetic are just a wee part of it, as I told you. It's just a combination of the Mother Earth and the electricity. That is, we can say, comes out of the water in it. That's all. Electromagnetic things have helped in one way in creating life. Because where there were only gases created, helium, hydrogen, oxygen, it was the electrical charge which changed them into life. Amino acids were formed like that. But the electrical charge also changed them because there was Adishakti's power working on them. The administration was done by Adishakti's power. So it's just a wee bit of it. And if you have to achieve anything on the electromagnetic, you can show wonders out of it. Wonders. Vibrations can pass on to it. Means that it administers those vibrations which are sound vibrations. Now, for example, take it to sound vibrations, are carried by electromagnetic vibrations. In the same way, Chaitanya can be carried on electromagnetic vibration. They can be carriers. But Chaitanya cannot carry electromagnetic. Alright? You are all stunned by my knowledge or what?